Hello, I'm back, I'm black, and most importantly, I passed my funded. So today is going to be a bit of a strange one because I've technically not quite passed my funded yet. Strictly down to days, like I need a minimum amount of trading days, which I don't have. But because of the money that I made yesterday, I have like 600 I think it was like $632. Um so $132 are over the 500 needed. So I'm just gonna risk $40 or £40 over the next 3 days, and even if I lose all three, I'm still 500 up. So well, the market's not open yet. I was just doing the intro. The video from yesterday, because I went out to celebrate, I didn't have time to edit it. I did have time. I was just celebrating. Um, So it's literally rendering now. The video's rendering now. So I'll post it as soon. I'll literally post it within the next 10 minutes. Um, so I think this video might also be posted tomorrow as well because I don't really want to upload two videos in one day. I mean, I could do, but I don't know. Either way, I'm on top of the world. I am also wearing shorts. I'm not. Oh, that's an ugly angle. Um, I'm not naked. Change of scenery. I've like swapped my monitor around, so my monitor's over here with the camera on it, which is you, and then my laptop's down here. But usually my camera's on my laptop, but it's not. It's over there on my monitor. So I might change it back. It's not. I'm not used to the look of it, but it's on a much bigger screen. So yeah, I don't know. I'll see you boys at market open. Okay, so market opens in 40 seconds. My CPU is running overtime, like severe overtime. It's at 100, no, it's not, it's at 84 degrees. It was at 88 degrees. That's bad. That's very, very bad. I need to not do that. It's alright though, because I'll just buy another one. I've not had it that long, to be fair. Long enough to wreck it. I got it in like November, I think. Yeah, November time. I literally got it just for trading. Yeah, crazy. So we have a lot of fucking buy side liquidity here, like a lot. Um, on the day, we're pretty bullish. We are pretty bullish on the day. Um, after yesterday, Jesus Christ. I mean, I'm not gonna take into account daily bias too much. You know what I mean? Like it helped yesterday, but like initially I thought we were sell side, and then we were buy side, and just went with the rhythm. But yeah, I don't think anything interesting is gonna happen anytime soon. These are like 15-minute lows. The black lines are SMTs here, and then this black line is just 15-minute draw on liquidity. I like to draw out the initial 15-minute draws just to see, like, I can get a good grasp on which index is lagging. You know, makes it a bit more clear on who's doing what. But yeah, I'll call back if anything interesting happens. Okay, Nasdaq has swept these like very, very small draws on liquidity. Um, we swept two 15-minute draws on liquidity, which I don't know. Some people don't count 15-minute liquidity as liquidity. Like a lot of people I know don't really see it or count it, but I fucking hell. If you get like four small 15-minute draws on liquidity, that's the same as hourly, surely. I don't know if that maths is technically right, but all I know is that I'm funded, bitch. Fucking hell, Nasdaq seems to be just moving. ES is just wriggling about. Nasdaq's Nasdaq's moving. Powell, Fed chair, is talking at 3. He's not just talking, he's testifying. All them fucking testicles. I don't know what this guy does. I'm pretty sure he's like the head of the treasury. What? What? What's he doing? Realistically, Trump wanted him gone, I swear. I think. Trump was like, we don't fucking need him. I don't blame him. He must be on a wage and a half. Sorry if that was loud. Well, my mic hardly picks it up. That's kind of good, I suppose. Do I have more water? I think I do somewhere. I don't know. Oh, that's disgusting. I got tricked. It's tap water. I don't fuck with tap water. That shit will calcify your pineal gland. Get onto that. Don't drink tap water. Just Costco's finest, Kirkland Castle Spring. It's like 7p a bottle. Stop drinking tap water. Come on. For this green high that got swept on Nasdaq is also an hourly high. So can't expect ES to take it out, but I don't know. I can't imagine we'll get a retrace. Plus, I just want to trade on Nas, and Powell's talking in 20 minutes, which causes pretty choppy price action because obviously he's gonna come out with some bullshit. So it seems like the market is just dance. Same as like FOMC. If FOMC's on at like 7 London time, the markets just seem to fucking go sideways because they know something's gonna kick off. So I think they wait until news to get their orders in. Because something I've noticed, I mean, I'm not gonna go back and show you, but so you take my word for it basically. If we've got like a significant draw on liquidity, like a daily high, or like a new week opening gap, most of the time, if we have like strong news, like a heavy red folder, then 9 times out of 10, like CPI or PMI or fucking PPI, any of them, just fucking snipe it. Just snipe that liquidity. I think they're just an excuse to get to that draw on liquidity without a reason. Because it's pretty the way that the markets seem to like structure themselves is they take a they have to like travel slowly towards draws on liquidity because you can't really do it without reason. Especially since Trump, under Biden, they could just pump money into the markets and do whatever they wanted, but under Trump, they have to move with reason. Obviously, there's always been a reason to like sweep liquidity, but they can't just randomly get there. They have to like fill orders first. That's what fair value gaps are. That's what retraces are. Fucking you go if you want to go up, you can't just shoot up most of the time. You've got to like fill in orders to make sure that the cells get their orders, and then use that to go up and go up and go up and sweep like 1 minute liquidity, sweep 15 minute, 5 minute liquidity. It's like fucking petrol in a car. You can't just get there. You need to fucking fill up along the way. I'm probably fucking chatting shit here. My bad, my bad. So I edit these videos like pretty heavily after I've recorded them. Like if I'm well, it's mainly just quiet bits, but sometimes I'll be talking and I'm just like fucking cut the whole thing, you know. But oh, I've just plugged in my laptop and it's the temperature of my CPU's just gone up. Um, yeah, I cut out a lot, but the whole point of this is meant to be a journal. Like I'm not doing it to get some sort of like popularity or become like a fucking guru. It's strictly just to trade like to journal my thoughts and feelings at the time, and it's kind of like a time capsule, fucking see where my head was at. If I look back in like a year, I'll see where my head was at, you know. So I don't know if I should be. heavily cutting down the little bits where I'm thinking like, okay, the market's doing this, because otherwise they're like 22-minute videos, and I'm not doing anything interesting. You know, you see fucking TJR like clip farming. So you can like there's a people have the attention span to watch his videos, but I'm not really trying to do that. Maybe it's because it's so early and I'm not quite myself or whatever it may be. But I don't fucking know. Think I'm completely chatting shit here. I'm just gonna fucking pause the video. So apparently, from one of my sources, they said that if you pass your FTMO too fast, then you'll get like a nasty email saying you can't just make your money in a day. You know, you gotta try it again. That's why I'm gonna be risking, the fucking £40 a day until I blow my account. Um, so yeah, I don't know. I don't know. It's a bit strange, really. I hope that I don't get that email. So my thoughts are that if I trade the full 4 days at like, say I risk 40 quid, that's 0.4%. You know, that's not unreasonable. Some people do that. Oh, my CPU's dropped back down pretty good. 62 degrees. Um, yeah, I don't know. That'd be a kick in the teeth, to tell you the truth, if I get some sort of nasty, nasty email about I've got to try again. I don't want to try again. I've proved myself, you know? I was so happy yesterday. I was so unbelievably happy. I couldn't believe it. Obviously re-editing the video. The reaction at first, I was like, I looked scared. I was literally shaking. I was shaking for hours. That's real euphoria. Like, I don't know anything else that makes you money where you get like a dopamine hit like that. And I know it's not supposed to, like, you're not doing it for dopamine, but you can't help yourself. You can't do something like what I did yesterday and not get a fucking dopamine rush, knowing that you've spent fucking ages. You spent so long trying to master this fucking skill, you know? And like my whole feed, like everything I look at is trading. So I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so we have a BPR, which if you don't know, is a double fair value gap. So you should really be drawing it from like fucking the crossover like there. That's the real BPR. Again, skadoosh. And then this one is no, that's the right corner, and then skadoosh. That's the BPR, so it's basically like a doubled up fair value gap, which like comes in line with this range, to be fair, from this high to this low. I didn't notice that. Oh, we've got like a big 50-minute BPR. She, yeah, I don't know. We've got news in 10 minutes. I'm not really seeing much happen. All hourly draws have been hit by both pairs, so I've got a feeling we might come sell side. Because look at that. You can't just have that. That's from yesterday as well. I don't know what happened. Huh. Oh, there's a gap there. Interesting. Yeah, we fucking bull run it. 11. Let's see. Let's see what happened. Huh. Pretty fucking bullish day yesterday, wasn't it? Jesus Christ. We're getting good price action back. Good price action. At least for this strategy. TJR strat. It's fucking hopeless. Like, I'd be so fucked if I didn't learn a different strat. Like, I'd genuinely be so done. very grateful that I went into the mastermind, not because of TJR's strategy, but strictly because of the people that I met. If I didn't meet the lads I met, I'd be fucked in trading now. 'Cause I can't create my own strat. And I don't think I'd trust another strat like on the internet. I wouldn't want to buy another course. I probably would have packed it in, and it would have just been another thing that I fucking couldn't do. It's not that another thing that I couldn't do. It's just the because I wasn't seeing such incredible like returns from the TJR strat. I wasn't fully on board with it. It was only since leaving college that I really took to this. I started making the journal. I started thinking about trading 24/7. Like when I was originally doing the TJR strat, from like November through to like when was it? Like May? No, March. Like November through to March. From like November the previous year, not this November, the one before. Like, yeah, I don't know. It just wasn't. It wasn't really taking to me as much as what I thought it should, from what I saw other people like have reactions to trading, like the lads that I know. Well, Will Saunders, big shout out. He says he doesn't want people to know what he does, but I don't care. Will Saunders practically got me into trading. Um, so big up to him, but yeah, I don't know. I'd be so cooked if I didn't know this strat. In theory, I could take cells down to here. If we get like a retrace into this zone, preferably this fair value gap as well, I could, but we do have Powell in 5 minutes. So maybe we get a retrace into this zone from Powell's speech, but I don't know how fucking volatile that's gonna be. It's gonna be intense. I need to start making TikToks, like ASAP. I just want to clip up my reaction to me passing my funded yesterday. I don't care that I didn't technically pass my funded. I passed my funded. Profit target 5%. No rules broken. I hit that shit. It's just trading days. I'm sorry that I'm too good that I can just make my account in a day. You know? So, I've been having a think. With the 10k, I want to then get a bigger size account, or I get another 10k, or like two extra 10k, so I have three. Trade them at the same time. Sorry if you can hear the fucking neighbor banging. He needs to lock in. He needs to start trading. Um, or I can get like an 150, 200k account and splash out. But I think I might be better off getting a few 10Ks. I don't know. I don't quite know. I also, this isn't like live account building stage yet. Like, I'm only going to build my live account with my bigger fundeds. I don't think there's any point building my live account with a 10k. Because one, I want to at least reap some of the rewards from it, treat myself a bit. Nothing crazy. Like, I'd only spend maybe like 20% of my payout. Like, say I have a total of like fucking. Say I get a payout of like 10%. So I get a grand. I get a grand payout from this 10k. All fucking hypothetically. I'll probably only spend like 200. You know? Like, oh, did you see that? Tap into the range. Perfect. That was a little snipe. Should we throw up a little cell? See what that's saying. I would obviously I'm not taking this just to see what the script is. But yeah, I don't know. But I will I think I will keep it journaled in this what I'll do with my money. I don't know if that's a good idea. I don't know if I should be telling the world what I'm gonna do with my money, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna leave this running just in case it looks cool. I'm probably gonna edit this out actually, but you know. Okay, Powell speaks in 5 seconds. Three, two, one. Good morning, America. I might actually take this trade because we've swept this low. Let's see what the script is saying. If we retest this zone and see bearish pressure out of it, I'm definitely re-entering. If we completely inverse it though, I'm not. Could have taken this trade based off of this. Okay, I'm in. Holy shit. Holy shit. This is what I'm in. I'm in with 3 lots. When we come down and take out this low, I'm going to take off 50%. Okay, I'm out officially. Shrunk. I mean, still past my funded. I can't really complain. Um, we might just be retesting this level and the original trade. This would have been the one that maybe plays out, but I don't know. Let's draw it up. Now I would have been stopped out on that as well, unfortunately. Well, what can you do, mate? Let's check the FTMO. Let's see if I've got my trading days. Leave me alone. Yeah, 2 trading days. I lost £80 on that trade. How? I only risked 30. Sorry, 40. That doesn't make sense. It says I've. It says. Wait, wait. You see it? Minus 80. But. Minus 40. How strange. That's very strange. That is very, very strange. I'd love it if we tapped into this level again and then just fucking rocketed down. How sick would that be? I'm going to leave that there. I need to edit this video and post yesterday's video. Hopefully this is recorded correctly. Because yesterday didn't. Yesterday recorded like that. So. But this is a 42-minute video, so. We're going to have to edit a lot of this. I'll see you later.